Signori, buongiorno, siete nuovamente collegati con il Giro d'Italia, mancano 22 chilometri alla conclusione.
Here we got the next stage at 22 kilometers from the finish, two-man breakaway. This is Pagnin again. And one of Argentine's teammates. Argentine did not race this year's Giro. He went on to win the World Championships, as we all know. But just before the Giro, he broke his collarbone, and he was not able to participate.
The field all together, and there you can see the very large number of riders that participate in this event. 2 riders away, but the big field still very much intact.
Shown here, and that's, I believe it was in the second stage. Greg crashed. Well, first of all, yeah, he crashed, I believe it was in the second stage, and lost about a minute there. And the team did not have a good team time trial at all. They were like 4th or 5th, and he lost approximately another minute on that. So those 2 incidents there pretty much got Greg well behind at the very, very beginning of the race, and it was pretty hard for him to recuperate from that. He rode very aggressively, but as I said, without having the depth in the team and not having the support that he needed to really recuperate that extensive time difference. It was very difficult for him to do better than what he ended up doing, which was 4th place.
So he fought his way from the graphic we saw before, which had him not listed anywhere in the top 6. He fought his way back into 4th spot overall by the end of the race. Here another long solo effort just near the finish, and one apparently doomed at this point. The final kilometer again to the finish of this 7th stage. There you can see again from the aerial shot, it's always fascinating to me how it's a constantly changing, moving, very alive thing, the group as it sets up for the finish. That attacks go from one side to the other, that riders fight for the wheel of fight for the fast wheel wherever it is and whoever it might be.
The ability to read a sprint and to be able to sit on the right wheel and not to get over anxious and come around too soon is very much something that is needed to do well in this kind of competition, in this level of competition, let alone avoiding crashes also in some of these narrow roads, etc. can make the difference between that front pack and losing even up to a minute. You can lose a minute in the last kilometer or 2.
And here the sprinters come to the line, and it appeared as though the sprinter Bontempi took that one, surviving the crash and getting to the line first.
Bontempi